Happy September, superstars! It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for September 2019 in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries around the world to understand how to use star timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe right here on YouTube and then click that little bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos debut. September's best days and worst days include several runs of both kind of days and several singletons throughout the month. September 2019 is a plenty good month. Want to make it really work for you? Write leverage September stars in the comments below. In the first run of best days, Sun is trine Pluto and parallel Chiron in Geo 12. There's a 4-planet conjuncted trine with Mercury, Venus, Vesta and Sedna, and Odin is in a trine with Neptune and mutually applying by progression. In Helio 12, Earth is conjunct Neptune, and in Helio 7, Earth is in a fortress with Neptune, Midas, Odin, and Mercury. In the second run of best days in September, in Geo 12, Sun is in a longbow with Sedna, Vesta, and Odin. In the geocentric declinations, Venus is contraparallel Mars, Chiron, and Juno. In Helio Zodiac 12, Earth is in a fortress with Jupiter, Venus, and Sedna. In Helio 7, Earth, Chiron, Venus, and Juno are in another piece of romantic sexual geometry, this time aspected Yod. These are great days universally for love, romance, and sex. In the first run of worst days in September, Sun is parallel Sappho in the geodex. In the geolongitudes in Zodiac 12, Sun conjunct Mars is in a T-square with Neptune and Jupiter, and this could bring lasting anger over something blown way out of proportion. In Geo Zodiac 7, Sun is in a clash wedge with the Saturn-Jupiter nuclear midpoint and the Saturn-Chiron heartbreak midpoint. In Helio 12, there's a nasty grand cross with Sedna, Sappho, the Saturn-Chiron midpoint, and the Saturn-Venus midpoint. This could create power struggles with highly negative consequences. Take it easy and avoid getting embroiled in any type of dispute on these days. In the second run of worst days, Sun is in a heartbreak clash by directionally applying in a quincunx with the retrograde Saturn-Chiron midpoint. In Helio 12, Earth is conjunct the Saturn-Sedna midpoint. In Helio 7, Earth and the Saturn-Sedna midpoint make an ugly wedge with Sappho and Xanthus. In the third run of worst days in Geo 12, Mars is in a peaking bidirectionally applying opposition with the retrograde Saturn-Sedna midpoint and in wedge geometry with Xanthus. This could bring deal-breaking frustration with someone or something. In Helio 12, the Earth is now past the Saturn-Sedna midpoint by conjunction, but this creates a very long progression now of this awful midpoint to Earth in any natalizations made at this time. In Helio 7, a Yod with Earth, Saturn, Sedna, Venus, and Sappho could create a lot of anxiety about demonstrations of affection, i.e. too much or too little, and or anxiety about lack of money. Click the link below to see the specific best and worst days for September. I hope this video helps you plan your September. If you like this video, please click like. Thank you so much. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal best and worst timing, lessons, and how to understand your relationships, and a whole lot more. I hope you have a fantastic September.